Hey, it's Brendan back here with another home selling tip. Let's talk about countertops in your kitchen. So here's the deal. If you already have granite and it looks good, don't worry about this video, just go on to one of my next ones. If you have some old laminate, even if it's new laminate, but it's laminate nonetheless, or Formica, or maybe even Corian, and it just doesn't, like, the thing is, that's not what the market wants. Let's be real, that's not what buyers are looking for. So if you want to sell for the top and you want to attract as many people as possible, then I'm going to say go ahead and replace those and put granite. Now, here's the key thing. If we're positioning ourselves for the top. But if we're going to sell for maybe a little bit lower, we're going to have more of a value proposition, well, then we don't need to do that. So we need to know, where do you want to position yourself? What are you comparing yourself to? Like the homes that sold and the ones that are active, do they have granite or do they have laminate? What do they have? So if they all have granite and you don't, and you want their price, you better believe you got to get into that. You got to get it, right? But if they all have laminate and you have laminate too, all right, then hey, we're like everybody else and we can probably let it slide. So basically try to be like everybody else in that regard, but know that for like the last, I don't know, since about 2006, granite has become a checklist item. When the buyers go into a place and it doesn't have granite in our market, in this area, they're like, meh, I got to spend money. So again, are there some exceptions? You don't have to do it. Yes, but I would say if we're trying to get the most amount of money, you probably need it. So just expect it. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions about your particular home prep, go ahead and schedule a 15-minute Zoom with me. Let me know what's going on. Send me some pictures. I'm happy to give any suggestions I can, and I wish you the best in your home selling journey. I'm Brendan Spear with Caprika Realty, and hope you have a great day.